Alright, time to watch another horseplay video.
There are going to be some prizes at Mustangs at Daytona. And Darius is bringing that 4-valve, the mighty 4-valve. And, yeah, I think he's going to get disappointed by a little 2-valve on nitrous.
What?
Y'all let me know what y'all think.
Hold on. Wait a minute. Now, hold on. I need some tea for this one. Alright, let's go ahead and get these fingers working. Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. In this video, I got a call out. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys know from my past videos of horseplay motoring. There's a guy that I visit down in Florida. He has a nitrous 2-valve Mustang. And that's cool. I get that. I like that. You know, everybody has their own build. But when you start talking about the almighty 4-valve, we have a problem. Like, a serious problem. Because you can't talk about the almighty 4-valve. You can't talk about the Mach 1 and expect to get away with it. What is wrong with you, horseplay? Pack trick? Man, I don't want to hear anything from that little small police interceptor motor you got in your car. What is that going to do? I don't care if you even spraying unicorn pee in there. That doesn't make a difference. That is not going to do anything. You're not going to win. What makes you think you're going to win against a 4-valve? Come on. Now, I knew I was finna get into a friendly little competition, but now you just made it personal, man. Nah, you can't do that. You can't talk about the Mach 1. No. There's a reason why they stopped doing single overhead cam motors and they still doing dual overhead cam motors. I was going down there for the car show for Mustangs at Daytona and I was finna enjoy myself. Now I have to whoop this little 2-valve, but he don't need to mess with the 4-valve. But all jokes aside, guys, we are racing when we go down to Florida. Me and him pretty much got similar builds, besides his is a 2-valve and I have a 4-valve. We both got built rear ends, which is, I believe he got 373 gears, I got 373 gears. I'm not sure if he got upper and lower control arms, tubular control arms, because I know I do. I think he does too. I think we have the same setup for the rear end. We both automatics, but I have a shift kit in my automatic. I don't think he have a shift kit in his. He might, but I'm not 100% sure. Now, far as engine builds, my engine is NA. All I got is a cold air intake and full exhaust. His engine is full bolt-on with 125 shot of nitrous, I think. I'm getting the car ready. It is coming together nicely. I'm getting the trailer ready so I can take it down there. That is also coming together nicely. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and go down there and see how it looks. I'm gonna just throw you guys out the window. Y'all cool with that? Y'all ready? All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, we down here. The trailer is definitely coming along. Right now, we got all the wood on. We had the fenders on. Got the tail lights. We also put a toolbox on there. So everything looking pretty well. Everything's on there sturdy, I think. And I already put the car on it. I'm not sure if you guys saw it in my last video for my live video, but the car was on here. I'm actually going to practice tomorrow and put it back on the trailer and see how everything goes. But this is the almighty 4-valve that is going against Horseplay's 1997 2-valve 4.6 that is on nitrous. It's not much to look at, but it is my car. 4-valve swap. It does have a true Mach 1 motor in it if you are not familiar with this car. Let me go ahead and stop showing it before I scare Horseplay. You know, we don't need to scare him off before the race. Guys, go ahead and comment down below who you think is going to win. The 1998 Mach 1 or the 97 2-valve GT. July 11th, we're heading out to Daytona. Mustangs at Daytona. Can't wait. Looking forward to it. Thank you for all the sponsors and everybody, Jeff, for making this happen, because this is going to be pretty much the new Mustang week. So I can't wait for that. Can't wait for the race. Can't wait to whoop Horseplay's butt. Make sure you comment down below who you're voting for. 4-valve for the win or GT for the lose, whichever one you want to pick. By the way, guys, we do have another sponsor for the channel. Stay tuned for the next video to figure out what that is. I'll see you guys in the next video, all right?